Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter purchase invoice in Zoho Books. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and search for zoho.com/invoice. This will redirect you to their homepage where you can sign in to your account or sign up for an account. You can sign up by entering your personal information in these fields. You can also sign up using your Google account, Yahoo Mail, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Microsoft account. I prefer to sign up for an account on Zoho Invoice using my Google account, so I'll just go ahead and click on the Google icon below sign up using. Now in here, I'm just going to click on the Google account that I'm going to use to create an account on Zoho Invoice and click on continue. This will redirect you into a new page where you'll need to enter more personal information to be able to create an account. Now once you're done entering your personal information, just check on the checkbox which indicates that you agree with the terms and conditions and privacy policies of Zoho Invoice and click create account. You have now successfully created an account on Zoho Invoice. You'll now get redirected to a new page where you'll need to enter the information about your organization, where you'll use Zoho Invoice, such as your organization name, the industry of your organization, the location of your organization, the state or province of your organization, currency, language, and more information about your organization. Once you've entered all the required information, click on the Get Started button that you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're done with that, you'll get redirected to Zoho Invoice dashboard. The first thing that you'll need to do is to add a new customer to be able to enter purchase invoice on Zoho Invoice. On your menu, click on the customers button below the home button. Now on the customers page, click on the create new customer button. And here you'll need to select customer type such as individual or business. After selecting the customer type, you'll need to enter primary contact such as the name of your customer. After that, you can select the contact display name. You can enter the company name of your customer if your customer has one. You'll also need to provide your customer's email. You can also enter your customer phone such as your customer's work phone and mobile number. Now scroll down and in here you can add other details about your customer, tax rates, payment terms, portal language, and more other details about your customer. On the addresses area, you can add billing address and shipping address of your customer. You can also add contact person, custom fields, and remarks. Now once you're done with this, just click on the save button that you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now this customer will be added to your customer list. Now proceed to the items section. In this section, you can add the list of items or products that your company offers. Click on the plus button at the upper right corner of your screen. In here, you'll need to enter the type of item that you offer. You'll need to enter the name, unit of the item, selling price, description, and tax if this applies for your company. Now once you're done with this, just click on the save button and this item will be saved to your item list. Now you can proceed to the invoice page. Click on new invoice. In here, you'll need to select the customer name from your list. The invoice is pre-made by Zoho Invoice, so as the invoice date. You can modify the terms of payment and the due date of the payment. After that, you'll need to add an item on the item table from the items available to your company. You can modify the quantity of the items availed by the customer and add tax per item if needed. Now let's scroll down. Click on show total summary and this will allow you to modify the total by adding discounts and shipping charges if needed. Now recheck your invoice before clicking save and send. This will allow you to send your invoice directly to the email of your customer. Check the details of the customer, scroll down, and check the checkboxes that apply before clicking the send button. Now this invoice email will be sent to your customer. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.